Here's how you'll be using Paycom to log your hours in for tutoring. So to get started, you're going to log into your employee self-service. You should have received an email information with your login information. It's going to ask you to change your password when you first sign in. And you have the option to either go through the website or to download the app for Paycom and log in that way. It is a lot faster to download the app on your phone and use it that way. Once you're in, you're going to be asked to create a new password and create security questions. So go ahead and do that. And then where you're going to be going to is the time management and web timesheet. This is where you're going to clock in and clock out. You won't need to worry about a lunch break since you're not working extensive hours. But this is where you'll be going in to clock in and clock out. So the web timesheet, you're going to choose Add Punch Pair. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the time in and then time out. So time in and time out. So you start tutoring at 10:30 on Tuesday and you clock out at 12:30 on Tuesday. You start tutoring at 8:30 on Wednesday, you clock out at 10:30 on Wednesday, that sort of thing. So you're just logging your punches in that way. You can see that again, in and out here. And then once you've done it, you have your punch here loaded and ready to go. If you ever need to delete it, you can go ahead and click this trash can to delete, and all your punches will show up there. Just make sure you're submitting those on time. And you can always check your timesheet from there as well. And that's it for using Paycom.